Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Linguamid. In this video we will talk about traveling and we will talk about important 5 verbs that we use in traveling, okay? And with some phrases about them. If you're ready to go, then follow me. So Egypt is a perfect destination for traveling. In summer or in winter, you have different varieties. You have the monuments, the culture, the mix of culture. You have the Nile, you have the sea, you have the desert, you have the weather, the sun. You have many things, wonderful things that you can enjoy. Egypt is a big museum, a huge museum that you can see different civilization, ancient Egyptian, Greek, Roman, Islamic, Coptic, all of these in one country. So Egypt is very interesting, and in order to intensify your experience, you need to know some Egyptian Arabic. Just don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's 100% free. You'll find the link in the description box below. Don't forget also to like and subscribe to this channel and to share this video. I will go directly into 5 important travel verbs to use in Egypt and in other countries. The first verb is to travel. So to travel is يسافر. يسافر. Slowly. يسافر. يسافر. So I travel. أنا بسافر. بسافر. There's a conjugation here. بسافر. بسافر. You travel. أنت بتسافر. If you are addressing a male, أنت بتسافري. If you are addressing a female, أنت بتسافر. You are talking to a male, أنت بتسافري, you are talking to a female. Okay, one phrase, important phrase about it is, for example, I travel every year. I travel every year. So أنا بسافر كل سنة. كل سنة. كل سنة. So كل is every and سنة is year. أنا بسافر كل سنة. I travel every year. The second verb here is to relax. Okay, relax is يرتاح. يرتاح in Egyptian Arabic. يرتاح. يرتاح. So I relax. أنا أرتاح. أرتاح. You relax. أنت ترتاح. أنت ترتاحي. So you relax if you are talking to a male. أنت ترتاح. If you are talking to a female, أنت ترتاحي. So okay. Let's have an example, a phrase about it. لازم أرتاح بعد الشغل. For example, if you are saying لازم أرتاح بعد الشغل, it means, let's break it down. لازم, I must, I have to, okay? لازم. This is in Egyptian Arabic. لازم. أرتاح, this is a verb, okay? To relax. أرتاح. Conjugated with I, okay? أنا أرتاح, okay? So لازم أرتاح. I must relax. I have to relax, okay? After work, بعد is after. Work is شغل. is شغل. Again, il here is the defining article, il, which is the. Il, شغل is work. Work, we say شغل. Work, we say شغل. So لازم ارتاح بعد الشغل. I must relax after work. I must relax after work. Let's move to another important verb, which is يتمشى. يتمشى. Okay, يمشي is walk. يمشي in Egyptian Arabic is walk. And in Egyptian Arabic, if we add more into the verb, let's say more letters, we build on its meaning, making the meaning more complex. For example, يتمشى is to have a walk, to walk around a little and have a walk for relaxation. So أنا هتمشى. Okay, يتمشى. أنا أتمشى. I'm having a walk. Okay, أنا بتمشى. بتمشى. You are having a walk. أنت بتتمشى. For male, you are talking to a male, you are talking to a female, أنت بتتمشي. Okay? Let's have a phrase here. A phrase is أنا هتمشى شوية. Okay? أنا is I. هتمشى, if we are adding ها at the beginning of the verb, we're making it into the future. So instead of أنا بتمشى, I'm walking now. أنا هتمشى, I'm walking in the future. Okay? شوية, a bit or a little bit or have some walk. Okay, some. So أنا هتمشى شوية. I will have a walk. Okay, I will have a walk a bit. Okay, for some time. Another important verb, which is I enjoy. Enjoy means in Egyptian Arabic يستمتع. يستمتع. Okay, يستمتع. It's from modern standard Arabic يستمتع. Okay, the same letters but slightly different pronunciation. So يستمتع, to enjoy in Egyptian Arabic. And أنا بستمتع, I enjoy. أنت for male, I'm talking to a male. أنت بتستمتع. أنتي بتستمتعي. Okay, I'm talking to a female. So let's have a phrase here. So أنا بستمتع بالبحر. Okay, let's break it down. From the last phrase, we know that be with the verb means it's in the present. Okay, أنا بستمتع. Okay, so أنا بستمتع, I'm enjoying in the present. Okay, I'm enjoying. Okay, بستمتع. بالبحر. بالبحر is very important. بال here. بال here, it's let's say connection of be plus the definite article il. So أنا بستمتع ب, which is a preposition with ب, il, which is the definite article, and then بحر, which is the sea. أنا بستمتع ب, I'm enjoying with, okay, البحر, the sea. We united together. أنا بستمتع بالبحر. So we say أنا بستمتع بالبحر. This is our phrase. أنا بستمتع بالبحر. Now let's move to the last verb, to swim. To swim means in Egyptian Arabic يعوم. يعوم. From modern standard Arabic يعوم. The same, mostly the same pronunciation. يعوم. Okay, يعوم. أنا بعوم, I swim. أنا بعوم. Okay. أنت بتعوم, talking to a male. أنتي بتعومي. بتعومي, talking to a female. Okay. أنا بعوم. Okay. Let's have a phrase. أنا بحب أعوم قوي. Okay, let's break it down. I love to swim so much, or I love to swim a lot. Okay, أنا بحب أعوم. Okay, أنا, I, بحب, the verb يحب is love. And in other episodes, if you check my channel, you'll find a dedicated episode about love phrases and about relationship phrases. You will find this verb and related phrases in more detail. أنا بحب, I love. أنا بحب. أعوم, the verb came in this form أعوم, not بعوم, because it came after the verb. So أعوم, I, to swim. So أنا بحب أعوم, I love to swim. أنا بحب أعوم. أنا بحب أعوم. أنا بحب آكل, from the verb ياكل, I love to eat, for example. أنا بحب أشرب, I love to drink. أنا بحب أمشي, I love to go, from يمشي. Drink, I love to drink. أنا بحب أشرب, from يشرب, and so on. Okay, so أنا بحب أعوم, I love to swim. Okay, a lot, heavily, or أنا بحب أعوم كتير, a lot. أنا بحب أعوم قوي. قوي is from قوي, strong, in Egyptian or in modern standard Arabic. And قوي, we say it a lot to mean something exaggerated or a lot or so much. So أنا بحب أعوم قوي, I love to swim so much. So you now know 5 important phrases and 5 important verbs in Egyptian Arabic that you will mostly use in traveling and also in daily life conversation. I hope that you liked this episode and you found it useful. If you have any question, just write me in the comment section below. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this episode and to subscribe and to share, and also enroll in Egyptian Arabic 101 100% free course to get your first dive into Egyptian Arabic. And also take a look at the description box below and have a look at my website and blog for interesting articles about Egypt and about Arabic. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in future videos.